Hey lovely people, my name is Sylvia and welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's doing great. I hope everyone's doing good. Hello, if you're new to my channel is all about lifestyle, beauty and fashion. The main things you'll be seeing in this channel is fashion hauls. So if you're interested in that, guys, please press the subscribe button, the notification bell, and please guys comment down below. When you comment down below, YouTube pushes my channel, which means my channel will grow. Also guys, please leave your YouTube channel subscription links in the comment section so that I can subscribe to your channel and others can also subscribe to your channel, guys. So let's help each other out, okay? So today guys, I am doing an unboxing and a first impression on the iPhone 13 Max Pro. I got mine today. It's still sealed. Got mine today, guys. I'm so excited, guys, to open it and see how it looks inside. I'm so excited, guys. I've come from the iPhone 10XS Max or something like that, the one that came out 3 years ago. I went for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So guys, comment down below which iPhone you guys went for and what you guys think of it. Obviously I haven't used it yet, so I would have to give you guys a review maybe a week or two later. I would definitely do a video on that, on the review of the phone. But in today's video, I'm just going to focus on unboxing it and showing you guys what's inside and also giving you guys my first impressions. I think it's time we just get straight into the video, don't you think? Yeah. Alright guys, so I got the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I got it in gold and capacity 1 TB. I had to get the highest one because the largest capacity, because the 10 that I had, I got the largest capacity and my storage was full at some point, so it just makes sense to just go for the highest. So that's why I got the 1 TB. So yeah, so guys, I'm not a gadgety type of person. I'm not a techie type of person. I don't know how to talk in tech language, so please guys, bear with me and don't expect me to know what I'm talking about really. So that's just it. This is the cover, obviously comes in black. I don't know how the 12 looked like. I'm just only gonna talk about the 10 because that's all I know. When I had the 10 last time, it had the white packaging, but I think because of I don't know why it's black this time. So it looks cool, it looks nice and cool. You can see what phone you got from the outside, whereas with the white ones you couldn't really tell what phone you had from the outside. So this is really cool. So let's get opening. Let me open it. So you have to pull this and pull this one, yep, and then oh, this is cute. This is real cute. Okay. All right, let's see what's in the box first, and then we'll get onto the phone. So it just comes with the wire. I think that's what it comes with. Let me see if it comes with anything else. Okay, so it just comes with the wire, so you can, the USB wire, and that's it. You know, Apple's really quite greedy, isn't it? Apple really want their coins, because where's the adapter? to plug into the wall. And where are the headphones? Like, hello, Apple. Wow. So, okay, let's see. This is just the information that you always get with, and the pin. And there's the pin, the information that you always get with the phone, and the sticky Apple. I don't know why. Okay, I don't know if this is what is this meant to be for? Is it meant to go on your laptop? Is it meant to go on your iMac or iBook? What are they called? MacBook. Anyway, I don't know okay, anyway, that's that. So there's the pins there, which is very handy because obviously to put your SIM card in, which is cool. I never really used that anyways. I always use my earring. And then you've got the USB cable, and I think, and that's it. That's all that's in here. Thanks. Now onto the phone, guys. This is cute. This is really cute. You know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of the iPhone 5. Who remembers the iPhone 5? Yeah, that's what this reminds me of, but just bigger. So let me take this off. Okay. This is cute. This is really cute, guys. I'm so in love with this. Look how cute this is. Okay, so the SIM card's on the left-hand side now and not on the right-hand side. Normally the SIM card goes here, so that's all right. That's a little change. Oh my God, my fingerprints all over. Okay, so, okay. And then we've got that. Okay. I really like this, guys. I do. I like this. It's cute. It's cute. But it's not gold. It just looks white. It looks like off gold type of thing, or maybe, okay, so the gold is here, but you know, on the camera you can't really see it. It just looks like mirror, but it's actually gold. So right, let me try and switch it on if I can. How do you switch it on again? You have to hold on to something. Oh, okay. Ooh, hello. This is lovely. All right, guys, so I am gonna do a full review on this later. This was just simply for me to unbox it and to show you guys how it looks inside and what's inside the box, and my first impression, which I really like. But I will do a full review. I will use the phone and see, and basically tell you guys the good, the bad, the ugly about the phone and what's new, or you know, I will do a full review on that, guys. So for now, I guess I'm just gonna end it here. This is a cute phone, guys. It really is a cute phone. So I'm really happy that I got this. Yeah. Comment down below, guys, and please subscribe, press the notification button, and please head over to my Instagram and follow me also, guys. Thank you. Bye.